Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back again with another hair tutorial. This time we have some gorgeous curly hair. It's still not dry completely, but these curls, like this wet look, is perfect for the summer, okay? This hair is from Vonzetta Lavish Boutique. I think I said that right, Vonzetta Lavish Boutique. This is the 150 density mink Indian hair, and it is 150 density. This hair feels so soft, you guys. So soft. The knots on the wig is so small. Like, this hair is just gorgeous, okay? Like, I think this is probably my new favorite texture of curly hair, to be honest with you guys. But if you want to see how I got this gorgeous look, keep watching. These curls are so pretty. And this is what the hairline looks like, and I haven't even plucked it yet. All right, you guys, as you can see in the last clip, the knots on the wig are so tiny, and the hairline looks really good. So now we're just gonna jump into the ball cap method. You wanna cut the ears out so it lays flat on the side. And then I'm just gonna spray it down with some bedhead hardhead hairspray. Just a little switch up from the Got To Be spray. But first, you want to clean your hairline off. When using alcohol, you want to be really gentle because it could be a little damaging on the skin if you're a little rough with it. But I just needed to take off my makeup and any dirt and oil from my skin so that the install lays better. And then you want to use the Bold Hold Skin Protectant. This is key when you're putting your wigs on, you guys. You want to keep your skin protected, and it's also kind of like a deodorant for the skin, so it helps prevent sweating and it helps your glue to last longer. So do not forget to use your Skin Protect when you're doing your lace installs. And when you're cutting your bald cap, you just want to make sure it is really flat. You don't want the edges rolling up or lifting or anything of that nature. So just cut it as close to the skin as possible. You already see my scissors are a little weak, but you know, if you got you some good scissors, this process should be super easy. And you already know I use the brown ball cap because this matches my skin better than the light ones. I don't have to put makeup on it, so my install lasts better. All right, so this is what the hair looks like after I bleached the knots and I tweezed it. I didn't want to tweeze it too much. I wanted the hairline a little bit fuller since this is curly hair. And then I took my bow hold lace tint, and this is going to turn the lace more towards my skin tone. So I just spray it on there, take a brush, blend it in, and then I just blow dry it. Or you could let it air dry, but I was out of time, so I just blow dry it. And then you'll see right now the lace is a little bit more towards my skin tone. I did go in a little bit later and add a little bit more tint. You'll see that later. But yeah, this hair is looking so good. And I love how the hairline is. Like, it was perfect towards my head. Like, I could just cut this little piece off on the sides and be good. Some lace, the hairline gets a bit weird and wavy towards the ears, so you have to really make sure you're cutting it in the right direction. But you can see I was super excited about this hairline. I stopped recording. I don't know what happened. But yeah, so it's just me cutting the rest of the lace off, and you can see I'm not cutting in a straight motion. I'm trying to make it zigzag just so the hairline's not straight across. And you can see how natural this is starting to look. This is where I added a little bit more of that tint, just a little bit more, just to get it to blend a little bit better. All right, you guys, I'm using Bold Hold Active. This one gives me the longest hold so far. And it's super easy to use. Y'all know, y'all see me do this, but I do my applications a little bit different now. The owner of Bold Hold said do not do dots across the hairline, to do just a really thin spread across, as y'all see me doing here. And honestly, it was easier to install. You could see the glue turns white a little bit faster. And you'll get a longer install out of this. Honestly, my wig lasted longer than a week, and I've been sweating and everything. So, yeah, this is the way to do it. And I do 4 layers of the glue, letting it turn white in between each layer and letting it turn completely white before you place the wig on top. And look at the melt, you guys. You just want to put the lace right on top, not too much forward, not too much behind the glue, like right on the glue, you guys. And you will see that it just melts. And after you get it on there, you'll see me just really pressing that lace into the glue. This is going to help to take the grids away and really just make sure this install looks seamless. So that's what we're going to do all the way across, 4 thin layers. On the sides, you'll see me put tape. But yeah, 4 thin layers of the glue. And after my first layer of the glue, I put tape on the sides. So yeah, you can see this wig is laying, okay? This one is melting. And then also, you do not want to have any pieces of hair stray in the glue. That'll affect your hold as well. So you saw me there getting the rest of the glue out. But yeah, this is what we're going to do all the way across. I like to do mine in sections because it just makes it so much easier to apply. I feel like when I was trying to apply the glue all the way across the hairline, like I was not getting as long of a hold. I don't know why. Don't ask. I don't know. But this way works the best for me. All right, so here's the tape I was telling you about. This is also from Bold Hold. This is the lace tape. You just want to cut it into sections, just so they're small enough to, get on your hairline. So after I put 1 layer of glue down and let it dry, I put the tape on top on my ear tabs just so they stay down the longest, because, that's the first thing to lift when your wig lifts. So we just want to make sure it's super secure. And now my sides don't lift anymore. Ow. After I get the wig all on there, I like to just blow dry it on cool air, just to get it all melted. And then I like to go in with my elastic band for about 10 minutes. Um, if you could do it longer, but 10 minutes, maybe 20 minutes, I don't know. Just so it's just melted and all cured onto your head. And this is what I was looking like. It was still a little light, so I went in with a little more of the lace tint on a cotton square, and then just lightly dabbing it, because you don't want to get any water or moisture on the glue. Um, you know, before it dries completely, like, which is, you know, the 24 hours. But doing a light layer, it won't lift the lace up. So yeah, this is what we looking like. Look how beautiful this hair is, y'all. Bomb, okay? Who is that baddie right there? That's me. I am just loving this hair, y'all. And this video is a little lengthy because I really showed you guys like how I really do my baby hairs. I just take my time. So yeah, so I'm really just showing you guys what I do. I use the wax stick to get it to lay down in the right direction. Hit it with the hot comb. Be careful, y'all. As you can see, this gets hot, okay? If it's just a hot comb, this gets so hot. And but yeah, this is what I do. So pretty self-explanatory. So yeah, just watch me work. Oh yeah, and I do lay my baby hairs with the bow hold lace jelly. So I pretty much use the whole bow hold lace system on my hair. And it gives me really good results. I like the jelly for my baby hairs versus the liquid gold, because the liquid gold doesn't make it, not the liquid gold, the jelly is not as hard as the liquid gold, so the baby hairs are still more like soft and pliable. But yeah, but they still hold really well. So you could do as many or as less baby hairs as you want. I love baby hairs, especially on curly hairs. So we doing some baby hairs today. We getting it in with the baby hairs. Okay, sis is feeling herself. This is honestly some of the best curly hair that I've tried. I wanted to leave it big, but just for the sake of the video so y'all can see what the curls look like completely wet, I went ahead and wet it down and brushed it out. I added a little mousse and a little oil. But this hair is, I'm shook. This hair is so, so pretty. Like, so, so pretty, y'all. All right, you guys, and this is the final look. I wanted to thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know down below in the comments if you like this hair, and I'll see you guys in the next video.